Mastering facial expressions. Amplify your storytelling and jokes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of facial expressions, a crucial component of storytelling and humor. We'll explore how facial expressions can significantly enhance the impact of your spoken words. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's discuss the power that facial expressions hold. When telling a story or delivering a joke, your facial expressions can contribute as much to your narrative as your words. In fact, sometimes they can convey what words can't. They are a universal language that everyone understands, regardless of their spoken tongue. When telling a story, your face can bring your narrative to life. Whether you're expressing surprise, happiness, sadness, or fear, your audience can instantly comprehend and empathize with the emotion behind your words. Let's say you're telling a suspenseful story. By widening your eyes and furrowing your brow, you can help the audience feel the tension, making the story more engaging. Remember, your face is a mirror to the emotions in your story. In jokes, facial expressions are equally significant. They can emphasize the punchline, create anticipation, or express irony. Have you ever noticed how comedians use their faces as much as their words to get laughs? A well-timed eyebrow raise or a smirk can be the difference between a chuckle and a belly laugh. Keep in mind, timing is everything in humor, and that applies to facial expressions too. To use facial expressions effectively, it's essential to 1. Understand the emotion of the moment. Know the emotional content of your story or joke, and let your face reflect that emotion. 2. Practice in front of a mirror. This will give you a clear idea of how others perceive your expressions. 3. Be natural and spontaneous. Do not force an expression. Authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. 4. Use variety. Avoid sticking to one or two expressions. Mix it up to keep your audience engaged. That's all for today's lesson on the role of facial expressions in storytelling and jokes. Remember, your face can amplify your words, making your stories more engaging and your jokes funnier. Practice and stay natural, and you'll surely become a master storyteller or comedian. Keep smiling and keep practicing. We hope you found this lesson helpful. See you in our next video. Happy learning!